There's some news that's just out from Target this morning, and this is interesting. They're announcing a long-term strategic partnership with Ulta Beauty. You know Ulta Beauty pretty well. It's that big box that in some of these same sort of strip centers that focuses very deeply on some of the premier beauty brands, names like Clinique, MAC, Benefits. These are going to be store within a store, kind of the same level for Target that you can see with a CVS in a Target or a Starbucks in the Target or the Disney store in a store. And this is probably good news for both of these companies. You see Ulta shares up pretty sharply on this news, about 8.8%. Target shares up by 1.1%, but it's significant. And what Target gets out of this deal is the ability to have some of these name brand beauty products in its stores, names like Clinique, MAC, Benefits. That's a big deal because shoppers go to Target and they shop beauty, but if they want any of those high-end names, they can't get them. Those have been traditionally, you could only get them at Ulta or at a department store or something along those lines. If you can conveniently pick that up in a Target, it matters for Target to get that name in there. This is also pretty important for Ulta, though, too. This definitely gives them access to those convenient shoppers who are just going in and trying to get one quick thing or trying to buy makeup while they're doing other things and not willing to go to another stop for this. If you look back at Ulta, they really got hit pretty hard when we first saw the pandemic break out back in March. If you were looking at a one-year chart for what happened with Ulta, stock fell significantly as you saw lockdowns because it wasn't deemed an essential retailer. Target obviously is, but both sides do get something out of this. Yeah, check this out now. Ulta up by more than 10% on this news. For Ulta, it does open up their brand to different shopping experiences like the quick trip and convenience, and it also probably boosts the loyalty factor if you're going to have people who are shopping there. Ulta's going to be doing things like training the Target workers who work in this area in the store so that they know more about all of these beauty brands, because that's something Ulta offers you if you go into the store. It's a younger shopper for the most part, Ulta versus Target, but maybe this is a way to keep some of those around. Anyway, it's an interesting partnership between these two companies, and you can see right now both those stocks are higher with Ulta really getting the big benefit. It's up by about 12.25%.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.